So this is me connecting myself to this LED that I got one wire hooked up to. And the interesting thing is when I connect myself to the other pin where you would normally connect to, it does nothing. But
Didn't really do anything. But if I connect myself to the outside,
then it lights up.
we have the light.
It'll flow. It flows through the outside of that, the casing of the LED for some reason. So I just thought that was pretty cool. And but what I wanted to really show is, you notice right here, this is me using my meter in open contact mode, or open circuit mode is what I call it. And what I do is I connect myself to the negative side, and I use the positive side to test, and it will give me a voltage reading or a frequency reading. I can get all types of readings that way, and it'll actually pick up the voltage in the air, and the closer you get to it, it'll get stronger and stronger until you actually touch it. And so that's just me showing that. And the amp meter works the same way as well. And that's coming off that white wire, and it's coming down off that antenna. And it actually is stronger. It reads less voltage coming straight off the coil. Anyways, this over here, it only reads 100 volts. But yeah, and that LED, when I connect to it, it gets brighter, same as me touching it. I got 90 volts there, almost 100 volts. And that's coming off of that little coil that's connected to a little high pressure sodium. Everything's wireless here. On that side of the coil, it's reading 85 volts. So about 10 volts less than the other side down the road, going through that little neon bulb. Sorry for the dogs. Alright, so check that out. 60 hertz. Because I can pick up the field with my non-contact meter, the one that beeps, I can stick it up there and it goes crazy. So I was like, hey, I can get it. I should be able to get the frequency reading off of it too, and I can. It's a pretty strong field, but it'll pop up. Bam, there it is, 60 hertz. Bam. As soon as you get close enough, bam, it'll pick it up. Alright, so I'm reading it a little different right here. I'm just using it in an open. I'm not connecting myself to it. And I'm reading between 16 and 18 kilohertz, because I'm running the system pretty slow. And it's picking up 18 kilohertz off of the receiver, the wireless receiver, the antenna that I have wrapped around the bulb. So, and then down here the frequency drops down. And it picks it up right out of the air. If I would connect myself to it, it would jump up. But it in completely open mode like this, you can tell that it's half. It's 8 kilohertz in the air, but whenever I connect, it's around 16 to 18 kilohertz, because it's between 8 and 9. So, I'm between 16 and 18 kilohertz when I connect. So, anyways, just thought I would show that. readings off your high voltage wireless stuff by using yourself as virtual ground.